SMEs often struggle in terms of adopting generative AI because of lack of time and resources. How does Capabara help?
See, Capabara is a capability as a service platform that we've created for SMEs. It is a no-code platform that is actually very easy to use with no programming knowledge needed by its users.
Well, I hear there are worries about job displacement and privacy risks of AI. What do you think?
I think we need to emphasize that AI is a collaborator. It's not here to replace your jobs. But by automating tedious tasks, I think employees can focus on higher value activities, and we've ensured that the platform is secure. In fact, if you upload your documents into the platform, you can actually chat with it without worry that your data is being used to train the model.
Well, this sounds like a game changer for SMEs are considering AI right now.
Yeah, in fact, by integrating GenAI ethically and efficiently, we're helping SMEs to take the challenges that they are facing, turn them into opportunities, and achieve sustainable growth.